Hey guys, so we're going to have a go at question 6 part B on the 2019 paper, which is a circle theorem and geometry question. So it's got to do with triangles and circles. A little bit tricky, but once you realise one thing, it should make it a little bit easier. So what the question is asked is to find the value of angle. This is alpha and this is beta, they're Greek letters. It was asking us to find the value of this, so which is alpha and 2 times beta here. So we need to, whatever answer for beta we get, we need to divide by 2. So to begin with, one of the things that isn't obvious here is that we're dealing with 2 isosceles triangles. And if we don't know we're dealing with 2 isosceles triangles, then we won't be able to do this question. And just so we're sure what an isosceles triangle is, an isosceles triangle is basically a triangle like this, where this side is the same as this side. So these 2 lengths are the same, but it also means that these 2 angles are the same here. So if this side and this side are equal, this angle and this angle is equal here. So I know this is an isosceles triangle here because this is my center. So from here to here and here to here, they're both a radius, which means that both their lengths are the exact same. So I know this and this are the same here, which means that my angle here must be 52 degrees. So beta must be 52. These 2 sides are the same because they're both radius. These 2 angles are the same. And then I can work out this angle here at the center, because 52 and 52 give me 104. And I know that it must all add up to 180 in a triangle. So I can do 180 minus 104, which gives me 76 degrees. So I know that this here is going to be 76 degrees. And then I can start working on some of the other angles. Well, if you look here, angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So even you you might not remember. If I've got a straight line like that, right, this angle here and this angle here must add up to 180 degrees. So 76 and this missing angle here must make 180. So this must be 104. And yet again, this triangle here, second triangle here, is an isosceles triangle. I know that because this is the center here. From here to the edge is a radius, but also from here to the edge is a radius. So these 2 are the same, which means that these 2 angles here are going to be the same. So a little bit trickier to work out this. So I know this is 104 here, and I've got 2 angles here. Well, let's draw out the triangle here, just for a bit of clarity. So this is this triangle. This is 104 here. Now, this is called 2 times beta. Don't get confused by that. But then this must be 2 times beta as well. So if this is 104, I need to figure out what these 2 angles are here, but they must be the same. Remember, isosceles triangle, you have to have 2 angles which is the same. So I can do 180 minus 104 gives me 76. So I know each of these angles now is 76. Or sorry, these 2 angles here, so you add to 76. So they must be half on this side and half on this side. So this angle here must be 38. And this angle here must also be 38. 38 and 38 give me 76, plus 104 gives me 180. And I know one important fact now. So let's take this side here. 2 times beta is equal to 38. So beta must be half of that, because remember, this is, imagine it was 2x is equal to 38. You would say x is equal to 19. But it's the same, it's just got a Greek letter in front of it. So that's going to be, or beta should be 19. Because it's 2 beta, it's going to be 38.